Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create watermark intro on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project, and I'm going to go to the CapCut library because I want to add black background to my project. You can search for the black background and you can add this black background to your project. Okay, and go to the text option, select add text, and you can type in your watermark. I'm just going to type in, for example, watermark, and you can do styling for your watermark by clicking on the style option, and you can apply the style that you like. But here I'm just going to change the font. Wait guys, I'm gonna go with this one, and I'm going to zoom in like this. Click on the check mark. But wait, I'm going to apply glow effect to my text. I'm going to click on glow and I'm going to select this one. Okay, and you can select the duration for your intro. Just like this. I'm going to select 6 seconds. Okay, and we're going to export this text video. Okay, just wait for a moment. Right, and we can go back to the CapCut homepage and create new project, and we can import the exported video. Wait, guys, this one I'm going to add it to my project, and then I'm going to add black background again to the project. Go to overlay, add overlay, go to the CapCut library, search for the black background, and then add the black background to your project. Okay, and then I'm going to make it align with the text video, and we can zoom in like this. Okay, and then we're going to use mask. We can go to the mask option right here. Select the horizontal mask, and we can rotate it like this. Okay, we're going to use keyframe as well. Select this keyframe icon. You can tap on that, and we can adjust the keyframe one by one like this. You can also adjust the feather. We're going to reveal the watermark. Okay, and now it's done guys, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create watermark intro on CapCut. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.